Sabah everybody and welcome back to the channel. And ever since the launch of the Oneplus 6 and getting my hands on and checking out the Oneplus 6 in Silk White, I've been waiting for that device to be available. Now, it was finally made available and actually, unfortunately, due to limited quantities, it's sold out already. But I was able to pick one up and I have it finally here delivered. So let's go ahead and do a quick unboxing of the Oneplus 6 Silk White. By far, in my opinion, the best looking Oneplus 6 on the market now. And here we have it. We have the number 6 here. You can probably see a little bit of an outline for it. Oneplus 6 on all the sides. And of course, right there, the Silk White 128 gigabyte version. The Silk White came with the 8 128. That's the only configuration that this one came in. And I've done an unboxing for you guys, of course, with the Oneplus 6 here, the 664 model that I was able to pick up for free. And I'll give you guys a link in the description below if you'd like to find out how. As well as actually a coupon for $20 off if you'd like to be able to pick up one of these things, or basically pick up a Oneplus 6 and save $20 off your order. And here we are, the Oneplus 6. Wow, look at that. Very nice. This is the Silk White. It's such a very nice finish. Now, this is actually a slightly different tone. You notice right there, there's more golden tone, or golden coloring here. And of course, this kind of mirrors here around, all around the metal band around the device. Let's go ahead and take off this. And here it is. The device is pretty much identical in the way, at least the shape and size of what the normal Oneplus 6 does have, with the exception, of course, of the color. And of course, you get that permeated throughout the device. There's kind of like a rose gold coloring here. And it's also existing right here around the camera angle, so it's very, very nice. Such a different color, and the texture of this is really, really smooth. The way they did it with different layers of glass, it's just the way they polished it. Now, the OnePlus logo is under the glass, as well as the name designed by OnePlus, the fingerprint sensor, the dual tone LED flash, the dual sensors, 16 and 20 megapixels, as well as the front-facing 20 megapixel sensor with the earpiece. This is not a secondary, basically stereo speakers. So overall, from a sense of what the device is on the internal side, we're still looking at the 6.2-inch display with the notch. So let's go ahead and power it on. Just to look real quick what's in the box, we still have the same dash charger, USB Type-C, USB Type-A cable, and let's take a look here. You know what? And definitely, yeah, so the case that comes with the Oneplus 6 White is a clear case, and that's because you do want to be able to see the device. The one that comes with the Oneplus 6, the mirror black here, is more of a grayish case, which is what you want to use there. But for this one, you definitely want to use this built-in case so that you can definitely see the color. The accents come through all around. It is raised so that your display is not going to be sitting directly on the glass, as well as the fact that this, if I'm not mistaken, yep, it still has that glass protector that the standard protector that you have, and I will be replacing this with another glass protector, as I did here. And this is the Oneplus 6 glass protector. I did a video for you guys not that long ago. Again, link in the description below. But all the ports are very, very, very nice. And we still have the SIM ejector tool, some information, and if I'm not mistaken, yep, some stickers. Pretty much standard as what you'd expect from a Oneplus 6. Setting up this device is going to be pretty simple. You can import your information from another device using the OnePlus transfer tool. It has the dual SIM, no additional SD card. Again, 128 gigs of internal storage as opposed to the 64 that we have here. So if we go under in, and then we'll go about battery storage, we have 116 gigs out of the 128 that's available for us. So that's nice to have, way more than the 64 gigs. Very nice. I like the color, the accents on it, and I also like the fact that they gave us a case out of the box that just matches the color that you want on this device. Unfortunately, this has been sold out, so the only place you'll be able to find this, unfortunately, is by resellers, or if you were lucky enough to be able to pick it up. But I'm definitely very happy that I finally have the Oneplus 6 now that I'm able to use this. I'll be able to sell this guy, so I'm actually able to pay for this one, and then just definitely very happy with the fact that we have options right out of the box, that we don't have to wait 6 months for them to release a second phone or a second color, where I've already invested my time and money into a device and I've purchased it, and I'm not able to basically wait long enough. But luckily, this was only a couple of weeks behind the original release of the original devices. Very excited. Let me know what you guys want to know about the Oneplus 6. Do you prefer the Oneplus 6 in standard color, mirror black, or midnight black, or even the, of course, Silk White? Personally, this is going to be my daily driver. I'm going to be setting it up and getting it running correctly. Again, I'm going to transfer my information over from my existing Oneplus 6, and then it should be pretty much on swap in the next couple of days. Thank you very much for the support. Like and subscribe as usual. I'll see you guys in the next video.